Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to track orders on Amazon by order number. So if you have an Amazon courier getting delivered to your place and you want to track that package just with the order number, for doing that, you will have to first of all navigate to any of the browser on your PC or your mobile phone. Then log into amazon.com or amazon.in according to your location. So log into amazon.com, then you'll be on this page. After logging in, you will have your account already added. So you'll have to basically click on returns and order option at the top right corner. Click on this option. Now you will see your order in this section. Now in this section, in order to track your package through order number, you will have to basically verify that your order number is specifically in this place. So under your orders, you will see the order section, and in the order section, you will see your order number. So verify that it is the exact order number. Now in order to track this package, you will have to basically click on track package. After you click on track package, it will show up the package location and other shipping details. So as you can see, I just ordered this package and it has not been shipped, not been out of delivery, and is still not delivered. If you want to know more info about the order, you can click on view order details, and here you will see all the details of this order. The order summary, payment method, shipping address, and order number at the top. So you'll have to basically click on track package under returns and order, and you'll be able to track your package through the order number. So that's how you track order on Amazon by order number. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.